Due to the rising cases of COVID-19, Prime Minister Modi ordered a lockdown all over India in order to protect Indians. However, the poor are suffering due to unemployment and can't make ends meet. Film stars, sports persons, NGOs are all supporting them by distributing food. A deaf association in Assam has come forward and supported the poor with disabilities like the blind, deaf, etc. Let me tell you about it. The Assam Association of the Deaf was founded in 1960 and has been working ever since. They work to advocate for deaf rights, employment, create awareness among women, etc. The president of AAD is Pramila Rani Bharma, and this is her sign name. Tapan Kumar Sarma is the general secretary, and AAD is affiliated with AIFD. AAD has founded a women's association under them, and the president is Swarnalata Pezu. Their general secretary is Nikita Kumari. They even have a youth association, and their president is Champak Das. Its general secretary is Jintu Chakraborty. All these associations work in unity and coordinate with each other. During 2018 to 2019, a flood had caused a lot of destruction in Assam. When the association heard about this, the AAD along with AFWD and AYFD decided to support those suffering. All the members raised funds in order to purchase rice, dal and other essentials like food, clothes, etc. They then distributed these to people who lost their houses in the flood. Have a look at these images. Wasn't that great? There was a hospital that was facing a shortage of blood. AAD, AFWD and AYFD organized a blood donation camp. Deaf members, youth and women participated and donated blood to the hospitals. Now, due to the COVID-19 lockdown, the AAD, AFWD and AYFD contacted people on WhatsApp to help the poor. They raised more than rupees 35,000 through Paytm. Tapan Kumar Sharma, the General Secretary, then ordered rice, dal, potatoes, onions, oil, biscuits, etc. at his house. He then called deaf individuals living close to his house to distribute the food into boxes. Each box was filled with food and grains. It weighed 9 kg each, and there were 102 such boxes. The AAD invited their advisor, who is a social worker. They invited him in a school owned by them, which is meant for SSC and HSC. Since it is not used due to the lockdown, they used it to distribute food. Poor people, which included deaf, blind, and people with all forms of disability, were called. The association went and picked up all of them from their houses. While distributing food, AAD made sure everyone was standing, keeping safe distance, and practiced all measures to prevent COVID-19. On 13th April, Assam celebrates its cultural festival Bihu. But now, due to the lockdown, AAD decided to distribute food to people as a form of blessing on the day of Bihu. The traditional Gamocha was distributed as well. When word spread, many hearing individuals who were poor also arrived at the spot, but the AAD didn't have the heart to turn them back and decided to give them the food packages as well. On 14th and 15th April, they were going to distribute more food, but Prime Minister Modi extended the lockdown to 3rd May. On 14th April, citizens of Assam were lathi-charged when they came out on the streets as the lockdown was extended. The General Secretary tried to convince the police, but they were very strict. After a lot of convincing, they finally received permission to distribute food on 19th April. This is because there were many people with disabilities that were suffering in the village of Hajo. After receiving permission from the police, AFWD, AYFD and AAD drove to Hajo with 86 boxes of food. Have a look at the images. The AAD have a very generous heart. The AAD also donates funds to the Chief Minister's Relief Fund of Assam. This year, AAD had collected membership fees from its members for the month of January to March. Due to the lockdown, the money could not be deposited in the banks. The General Secretary, after discussing with the board, decided to donate the money to the Chief Minister's Relief Fund. A total of Rs 22,222 was collected with the collected effort of the AAD, AFWD, AYFD and all the deaf members of Assam. With the intention of helping those suffering from COVID-19. They wanted to hand over the check to the Chief Minister of Assam, but due to his busy schedule, they met the Health Minister Dr. H.B. Sarma and handed over the check. Let me tell you a story about how the Health Minister and Tapan Sarma met. Between 1979 to 1985, there were protests in Assam. The Health Minister and Tapan were part of the All Assam Students' Union. And they protested against the Bangladeshi immigrants. The minister was also the president of AAD before. He was also an advisor and has now become the health minister for Assam. Mr. Sarma and the minister have a very good bond. We are very proud to see the AAD support people with disabilities and fighting to eliminate COVID-19.